Hey.
Alright. I hope I hit this fucking thing.
I know it's going to be embarrassing because it's recorded. God damn. Look at this shit.
I guess I hit it. I told you this shit was bad. Hell yeah.
Holy shit. Did you see how high all the shit went?
Like fucking 80 feet in the air just spinning. That's like some shit you see in a movie. Blowing shit up, right?
Shit.
That was nice. Kind of long. Hey, you can put the video on YouTube and put fucking shit up. Oh yeah, fold the fucking sign over.
Oh shit, look. Look, aren't y'all motherfuckers glad we moved?
Hell yeah.
Look.
Shit would have been all over your ass. Oh, you still taping?
Yeah. Holy goddamn.
West gets no shrapnel at all in his gun case. What the fuck?
Holy shit, dude. Look at all this.
I bet you can hear that shit for 3 miles. Well, you can't turn it on anymore. Who wants some microwave popcorn?
That's what happens when you put that bitch on broil.
There go my Lego. God damn.
Could you imagine if you actually like wanted to assassinate somebody, you tied them to a tree and made them hold some of that shit? I mean, God.
I'd fucking shit myself.
Nice.
Hold on before you pick anything up. Let me video it. This shit all over here, man. Hold up.
There ain't no more tire. Yeah. God damn. Look at all the leaves and shit. That's just cool right there. That's cool as shit.
Shit.
Dang.
Is that part of it? That motor thing over there? Yeah.
God damn.
I just like how it was all spinning up there and flying, little pieces were fluttering down.
We're all celebrating it's still floating.
Holy
Here comes a piece now.
fuck, man.
Well, at least I'm glad I got it on the first shot.
Too bad we can't send that shit to nobody.
He can. We figured out how.
Oh, okay.
Where we can all get a hold to it. Holy shit. Here's the power cord.
Oh man, that only moved about 3 feet.
I guarantee you that bitch was up there for a while.
It's wrapped around the fucking tree there. That was badass.
That's the best one we've done so far.
God damn. Hey, look, there's fucking shit all the way back here, man.